Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Jenny Jo, and in this video, we are going to discuss how parents can submit grades for their students' assignments. First, you need to log into your member account, and then you need to navigate to the parent dashboard. To do that, you can click on either this graduation cap, or if your website is displaying words instead of icons, you would click on the item that says Classes. Now you need to select the class homepage of the class in question. Once you're on the class homepage, scroll down until you see the assignment section. If the teacher has configured an assignment to allow for parent grading, there'll be a little A, B check mark immediately to the left of the assignment name. Select that. On the student submissions page, enter the number of points earned for your child or children if you have more than one in the class. You notice as soon as I enter the points earned and then I tab off of the field or click anyplace else, the status will switch to completed on time. You can also input a specific date received if you'd like. This concludes the tutorial on adding grades for parents. If you have any further questions about grades or assignments, you can find our other help videos by clicking on the question mark or the help item in the top menu. You can also contact your group administrator for their assistance.